If you plan to study in Australia by January 2026, here's everything you need to know about the visa requirements and the documents you must prepare. To study in Australia, you need the Subclass 500 student visa. This visa allows you to live, study, and work part-time while enrolled in a full-time registered course. You can only apply after receiving your confirmation of enrollment, or COE, from your school. Main requirements for Nigerians. 1. Confirmation of enrollment, COE. You must first apply and be accepted into an Australian university or college. After you pay part of your tuition or meet the school's conditions, the school will issue your COE. You'll need this document to apply for your visa. Second, genuine student, GS, requirement. You must show you are a genuine student. The visa officer will ask questions about your study plans, finances, and reasons for choosing Australia. Write a short, clear statement explaining your goals and why you'll return home after your studies. Third, proof of English proficiency. Provide a valid English test result, such as IELTS academic, PTE academic, or TOEFL IBT. Each school sets its own minimum score. You can register and take these tests through approved test centers in Nigeria. Fourth, proof of funds. You must show enough money to cover 1 year's tuition, living expenses, and travel costs. Acceptable financial documents include bank statements from the last 4 months showing consistent transactions, student or education loan letters from a recognized bank, proof of prepaid tuition or accommodation, or a sponsorship affidavit with the sponsor's bank statements, employment letter, and proof of relationship. Funds must be liquid and verifiable, not tied to property or assets. 5. Overseas Student Health Cover, OSHC. You must have valid health insurance for your entire stay in Australia. Buy OSHC through your university or an approved provider like Bupa or Allianz. Keep the receipt and policy number. It will be part of your visa application. 6th, academic documents. Prepare all your educational records, including WAEC or NECO certificate, diploma or degree certificates, academic transcripts, and if required, recommendation letters. Request these directly from your schools or institutions. Transcripts must be sealed or stamped officially. 7. Identification documents. You'll need a valid international passport, valid for at least 6 months beyond your course start date, passport-size photos, and any birth or marriage certificates if you have dependents. Renew your passport early if it's near expiry. 8. Health and character documents. All applicants must take a medical examination and submit a police clearance certificate. The medical exam must be done at a hospital or clinic approved by the Australian Embassy. For police clearance, apply at the Nigeria Police Force Criminal Investigation Department headquarters in Alagbon, Lagos, or through an official state command. These prove you are in good health and have no criminal record. 9. Visa application documents. When ready, scan and upload the following to your online application: COE, passport, academic certificates, English test results, proof of funds, OSHC, medical and police certificates, passport photos, and your GS statement. Submit everything online through the Australian Department of Home Affairs website. Pay the visa fee, attach your documents, and track your status through your IMI account. When approved, you'll receive a visa grant letter with your visa number and entry details. You can then arrange your accommodation and travel to Australia for the January 2026 intake. Preparing all these documents early increases your chances of success and helps you avoid last-minute delays. For expert assistance with your application, document review, or school selection, contact Law and Visas. Follow Law and Visas for more updates and guidance on studying in Australia, Canada, the UK, and other destinations.